Okay, so this is going to be the basics of how to create a Google Slides presentation. So if you're already on Slides on the home screen, you would just click here to start a blank presentation. If you're not sure how to get there, you can go to your Google Drive and click on New and then Google Slides. So when Google Slides pops up, it's going to automatically default to this screen. And on the right-hand side, it's going to give you a plethora of themes to choose from. So you would be able to click a theme, and it's going to automatically put it onto your slideshow. So on here, obviously, that's where you're going to type your title and your subtitle, whatever you're wanting to do there. To add a new slide, you would just click Add New Slide, and then again, start typing away. So there are a lot of different things you can do with Google Slides. It's pretty much the same as any Office program you've used before as far as the toolbars go. So right now you can see that there's nothing for me to like change my font or anything. That's because I'm not selected on it. So I have to click on the font in order for that bar to pop up. If I want something to happen to the whole entire thing, I would just select the box and then I could change it that way. So if I want it to go up even bigger or smaller, I could change it with the whole box. If I'm typing and I'm selected just right there where my cursor is, that's the only thing that it's going to change. So it won't change everything else. You are able to insert pictures. You can upload them from your computer. You can search the web. If you have one in your Google Drive or folder or photos, you can do that. You can add a picture from a website link, or you can actually take a picture. So let's say you have a book or a worksheet at home, but the students don't have it. You can take a picture of it, insert it into your Google Slides. So it'll tell you once you've taken the picture to insert it. And then you can add in text boxes and all that kind of stuff on top for students to record their answers. You can also add in a text box, audio, a video. You can embed like a YouTube video right onto the slide. You can add in shapes, tables, charts, anything like that. Formatting is going to be like your spacing and that kind of stuff. So all of these are basically just like your tools that you might see in a regular Office program. One of the things that people might want to do is to create links. So if I want to create a link for my students to follow, here's how I would do that. So if I want them to say, like, go to this video, I could say, click here. So what I'm going to do is highlight that text, and then you can either two-finger tap, or you can go to Insert, Link. So in this text box is where you're going to type in your link, and then you're going to, or copy paste it from your website, and you'll click Apply. So now when the kids click on that, now when the kids click on it, it's hyperlinked to a video, and it's going to take them right there to watch that video. The other thing that you can do is have it hyperlinked to a website. So if I want something hyperlinked to, let's say, like Bookflix or something like that, I could say, click here. And then again, I can two-finger tap and click link, or I can go up to insert, and I'm just going to copy paste. And then when the students click there, it's automatically going to take them to that website. So those are great for like hyperlinking activities. If you are wanting to insert a image for students to like add a text box on top, oops, let me do all my files. So let's say I have this screenshot. I don't know, I'm just going to insert a picture here. I wasn't prepared for that, sorry. So let's say I want students to like write something or draw something on top of that. I can have that picture inserted of my worksheet or whatever and add a text box. And I can just say type here, and they can put their answer in. So I would want to delete these in the background, but I could do it that way. So I'm going to insert a picture, and if I want my kids to like write something on top of it, I can just click type there, and then when they get it, they'll just type. So hopefully that gives you some ideas for Google Slides.